Hey there, what's up? In this video, we will be comparing Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 to help you choose the best office suite for your needs in 2025. So, for the first one, the application itself, Google Workspace has Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Drive, and Calendar, while Microsoft 365 has Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, and Teams. Now, for the collaboration, Google Workspace has a real time collaboration and it is good for easy sharing, while Microsoft 365 has advanced desktop features and strong offline support. Now, for the third one, which is ease of use, Google Workspace is really simple. As you can see, it is browser based and really lightweight, while Microsoft 365 is feature rich but more complex interface. Now, for the pricing, Google Workspace starts from about $6 per user and per month, while Microsoft 365 starts at $6.99 per user and per month, and it's, by the way, the business basic. And you could choose Google Workspace if you want cloud-based simplicity and real-time collaboration, but if you want or you need powerful offline features and advanced tools, then go ahead and choose Microsoft 365. And yeah, that's basically just it. You now know which platform that may suit your business or your personal workflow better. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.